Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope everybody is good and living the happy and safe life at the home. Today we will learn about uh, telling the time because this is the good topic and interesting topic and the usual topic in our daily life. Because telling the time without time we can't do anything. So telling the time I was understand this is the good topic for a student because uh, time is the important and without time we can't do anything. We can see the time, what time is it, and then we can go to a school and what time we can back from the school, what time we can take the lunch, what time we can what can do like that. So timetable is the very good for our daily life. So I was understand time is the good things for our good things for the teaching. So can teach to you about the telling the time and how to time is work and how we can manage the time also, and what types of the time have the second, minute, hours, and years and month, weeks, like that. We belong also the time. I will teach the basic about the time, and then this video I am just uploading for uh, a primary class, not a secondary class, and for small childrens they can know about the basic time. So you can see the how to time is work. Let's go start this video and learn about the telling the time. So are you ready? I hope you are ready. So let's go be exciting, be happy, and learn about the telling the time. First of all, you can see in the picture have showing about vocabulary of time. Vocabulary of time, the steps of vocabulary. First of all, you can see have the heading, the time. You can see here have the heading of time. Then after have the written about conversation chart. Conversation chart. And right hand side have the written about century and years, month, week, day, hours, minute, and second. Today we will discussion about how to minute is work in second and how to hours is work in minute and how to day is work in the hours and how to work like that, like that, like that. Okay, so I are you ready? Yes, so let's go. First of all, you can see number 1 minute equal to 60 second. 1 minute 1 minute 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. And also we can say 60 second equal to 1 minute 1 นาที 1 นาทีเท่ากับ60วินาที60วินาทีเท่ากับ1 นาทีได้ 1 minute equal to 60 second. 60 second equal to 1 minute. Next, 1 hour 1 hour แปลว่า1 ชั่วโมง 1 hour equal to 60 minute. 60 minute 60 minute แปลว่า60 minute 1 minute 1 นาที60 minute แปลว่า60 นาที1 hour 60 minute 1 day กี่ชั่วโมง24 ชั่วโมง so what we can say 1 day 24 ชั่วโมง 1 day 24 hours. Very good. Next, 1 week have the written here. 1 week แปลว่า 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. What we can say 1 สัปดาห์ 7 วัน 1 week equal to 7 days. Also we can say 7 day equal to 1 week. Next, 1 year. 1 year means 1 ปี 1 year 52 สัปดาห์ 52 weeks. 1 year 52 weeks. Have they written here 1 week 1 year 52 weeks, sorry. Next, 1 year กี่เดือน 1 ปีกี่เดือน 1 ปี12 เดือน so what we can say in English 1 year 12 month. 1 year 12 month. Next, 1 year กี่วัน 1 ปีกี่วัน so what we can say in Bhasa Ankit, in English language, 1 year, 365 days. 1 year, 365 days. You can see here, have the written 1 year, 365 days. So what we can say, 1 year, 365 days, and in Thai language, what we can say, 1 ปี 365 วัน. Very good. Next, one leap year. Leap year is the related every day have the 60 minute is extra 6 second. Yes, 60 minutes like that. So one after 4 years have a 1 day leap year that in February. That have the written here one leap year. One. What we can say in English? One leap year 366 day. In Thai 1 leap year 1 ปีก็366 วันภาษาอังกฤษก็1 leap year 1 leap year 366 days. Next is 1 century. 1 century is equal to 100 years. 100 years is the 100 year equal to 1 century. Century is the convert in the 100 years. So what we can say, 1 century equal to 100 years. Yeah, 100 years equal to 1 century. We can say also have the written say century, years, month, weeks, day, hours, minute, and second. Today we are already learned about this. Next slide have the showing about same thing, important facts about the time. Because in this one have the showing about the short thing, but I'm teaching to you only basic, not a hard, not a same dialect, not a difficult thing. So try to understand. Next have the important fact about the time. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds แปลว่า60 วินาที60 วินาที1 นาที60 วินาทีได้กี่นาที1 นาที very good. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. And next have the written about 60 minute. 60 minute equal to 1 hour. So what we can say, 60 minute equal to 1 hour. Yeah, we can say 60 นาทีได้1 ชั่วโมง. Very good. Next, I have the written about 24 hour. 24 hour, 1 day. 24 hour, 1 day. What we can say, 24 hour in Thai language, 24 ชั่วโมงได้1 วัน. Okay. Next, 30 นาทีได้ครึ่งชั่วโมง30 นาทีได้ครึ่งชั่วโมงภาษาอังกฤษบอกว่าอะไร30 minutes 30 minutes 30 minutes equal to 1 half hour 1 half hour. We can say also half hour. 1 half hour means 1 like a half. So in 1 hour have the 60 minutes 1 half hour. So it is the written 1 half hour. Next is 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we can say 1 quarter hours. Understand? 1 quarter hours. Because in 1 บาทมี25 สตางค์25 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 สตางค์ทั้งหมดก็100 สตางค์ก็ได้1 บาทเซม60ก็มี15ก็15 วินาทีได้1 quarter hour. So I don't want to teach the too hard. So let's go start. Next slide. In next slide, have to learn about how many days are there in a big ning sapada daiki one. So I asking to you in English language, how many days are there in a big? I have to show you how many days are there in a big. 7 days. Have the written in red color. 7 days. Very good. เก่งมากต่อไป Next is converting between unit of the time. How to convert? You can see here converting between unit of time. There are time unit, and in this time unit. Number one, there are 60, 60, 24, 7, about 30, 365, and 366. What is the showing about unit? 60 second in a minute. 60 second in, oh, sorry. 60 second in a minute. What we are low? No, you can see here. I'm sorry. 60, okay, already come. 60 seconds in a minute. Next is 60 minutes in an hour. Because 60 minutes 1 ชั่วโมงได้ไหมได้ครับ60นาทีได้1ชั่วโมง and 60วินาทีได้1นาทีต่อไปก็มี24ชั่วโมงแปลว่า24 hours 24 hours in a day 1วันได้24ชั่วโมง very good ต่อไป7 day 7 day 7 วัน1อาทิตย์7 วัน so what we can say one 1 สัปดาห์1 สัปดาห์ได้กี่วัน1 สัปดาห์ได้7 วัน so what is the showing about here you can see 7 days in a week 7 days in a week 1 สัปดาห์ได้7 วัน very good next is about 30 days 30 days 30 วัน30 วันได้กี่เดือน 30 days equal to 1 month yeah we can say in a month have a 30 days yeah 31 days next is 365 days in a normal year normal means ปกติ 365 days equal to 1 year normal year but 366 days in a leap year is the difference of normal year next we have to learn about next you can see here telling the time practice แปลว่าเรา practice กัน about the time okay นะ telling the time practice so what we can practice you can see here what time do you get up have to showing the time I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. Very good. So have the showing the time by clock. When somebody is asked what time do you get up, you can say I get up at 6 a.m. Okay, because have the showing the time 6 a.m. morning get up from the bed and wake up. It's a different meaning I will teach in another video. Okay, so what time do you get up? I get up at 6 a.m. Next you can see here what time do you take shower? What time do you take shower? Take shower แปลว่าอาบน้ำกี่โมง6 โมงครึ่ง so what we can say I take the hour at 6:30 a.m. I take the hour at 6:30 a.m. Very good. Next, I have another thing, and I will show you. I will write also. You can see here have the written what time do you eat breakfast? So what we can write here in this column, I show you also. When people is asked to you what time do you eat breakfast? So what we can say, I eat breakfast. You can write here also. Then have to say the good answer, correct answer. I have the written wrong, so I have to change here. I eat breakfast first. Have the showing the time also. You can see in the clock. I eat breakfast at 7. You can write 7 like this and 7 a.m. because he is asking about the take breakfast. So breakfast we are take in the morning time. So what we can say a.m. time. P.m. time is the afternoon or afternoon. Okay. So what we can say I eat breakfast 7 a.m. If somebody is asked you, what time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at say 7 a.m. Okay. Next, I have another question for you. You can see here, what time do you what time do you go to your school, and showing the watch and clock here. So what we can say in this one, I I go to school กี่โมงไปโรงเรียนกี่โมงมันมีนาฬิกาโซนนะเธอบอกว่าไปเนี่ยไปโรงเรียน7 โมงครึ่งก็เขียน7 โมงครึ่ง a.m. ใช่ไหม I go to a school at 7 o'clock. Yeah, we can say I go to a school at 7 a.m. Very good. I hope you are understanding. Next, I have another thing also. What time do you go to school? What time do you go? No, sorry. What time do you go home? ไม่ใช่ school, sorry. What time do you go home? I go home at 4 p.m. p.m. แปลว่ากลับบ้านกี่โมงจากที่โรงเรียน What time do you go home? I go home at 4 p.m. Okay, I just teaching you 4 p.m. is the evening time, so we are using evening, afternoon, after we are use p.m. Next, I have another thing also. You can see here. Next thing, what time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? ไปนอนกี่โมง and มีนาฬิกา What can say I go to bed at 10 p.m. 4 ทุ่ม 5 ทุ่มไปกี่โมงก็บอกเวลาได้ so เวลาคนถาม what time do you go to bed? So what we can say, I go to bed at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. ประมาณ4 ทุ่ม yeah, ไป5 ทุ่มก็บอกได้ I go to bed at 11 p.m. yeah, I go to bed at 9 p.m. I go to bed at 8 p.m. I go to bed at 7 p.m. We can say like that. Yeah, if we are go on the midnight 12 p.m. So what we can say, I go to bed at midnight. Midnight แปลว่าเที่ยง so already learn about the time, and next video I will teach more hard than this one, because we are not yet learn about the quarter and first two and how to be used like that. So this video I am just recording for a primary student. Next is worksheet. Have the written worksheet, and I have the already teach you about the what time what we are do. You can see here, you can write the name, your number, what's your class number, and class เรียนห้องอะไรแล้วก็เลขที่อะไรแล้วก็ชื่ออะไรเขียนต่อไปมีเขียน what time do you eat breakfast? Yeah, go to school. Yeah, get up. Yeah, go to home. Yeah, go to bed. Yeah, take shower. ไปกี่โมงกี่โมงทีนี้อยู่ก็ดูรูป you can see the picture, what picture it is, and you read the question number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6 ทั้งหมดมี6 ข้อ 6 ข้อก็มี6 อันเห็นไหม6 อันมี option 6 อัน so you can find the correct answer form to here, and please you can put in the fill in the blank. What time do you, one question I will give the answer by myself. What time do you มีรูปคอนเทนต์มาตอนเช้ามีนาฬิกาด้วย you can see the clock also. Somebody is get up from the bed right now, so you can see what time do you บอกว่า get up แปลว่า you can write here what time do you get up, and เขียนว่า I get up at ดูนาฬิกาเลยก็บอกเวลา 6 o'clock, so you can write here 6 o'clock. Number 2, what time do you text how you can find from to here and fill in the blank. Then after you can send for me, I will check it, and then after I will give the marks for you. Thank you for watching this video and learn about the telling the time practice and telling the time vocabulary, telling the time about the use in our daily life, how to be use the minutes, second, hours, and weeks and years. So I hope you are understand. If you are not understand, please you can watch this video again and again, 2 and 3 times, 4 times, until you are understand. Then you can use in your daily life. I hope you are understand, and then you can share with your friends also, and then after you can use in your daily life. Bye bye, take care. I wish for your life also, for because now is COVID-19. In COVID-19 situation, have the use the mask always. Right now I'm a single in my room, so I'm not using. But if I go to outside, I will use the mask also. Use the alcohol for clean the hand, use the soap for clean the hand. Before eat, you can use the soap, and make the social distancing. If you want to talk with anyone, you can use the phone also. And then you can take care yourself and give the suggestion for another person for take care also, because if you are safe, another people will safe also. Bye bye, take care, have a good day, best of luck.